നിന്നെ പോലെ തന്നു.
ഹലോ ഹായ് ഗ്രേസി, ഹൗ ആർ യു? മിണ്ടല്ലേ ഹൗ ആർ യു? വാട്ട്? No. What is?
Why you ask?
No, because you look like you guys are streaming.
I look like?
No, we not.
You look like you guys are streaming.
No.
We are not streaming.
We are not streaming.
Your name is Gracie.
Yes.
Hi Gracie.
Hi.
Hello. I can't read your name.
No problem.
This is Topi. This is Rambo.
Rambo.
Yes.
No use. His machine is complaint. No use.
Yes sir. No, my machine is not working. His machine is working.
അതല്ലേ നീ എന്താണ് മൊട്ട പറഞ്ഞത്? Gracie.
What is like playing? Who is watching that cartoon in the back?
Cartoon.
That's my friend.
Friend.
Aspak. You know Aspak? Come
Aspak.
Aspak.
Hey.
Here Aspak.
Aspak from?
This is Aspak.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes,
Hi.
he is from Kannur Museum. Museum. Do you know?
Trivandrum.
Zoo.
He is from Trivandrum
Do
Old
you
Age
know
Home.
zoo?
Kalavan
He is from Kannur Zoo.
His kids Old Age Home.
എന്താണ് നീ പറയുന്നത്? എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയ നീ പോടാ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ട്.
Grace, where are you from?
വൃദ്ധസദനത്തിന് അതിനല്ല
ചുമ്മാല്ലേ?
If you guys can guess.
I guess you are from Tripura.
He read.
You from China?
ഇനി നൈസായിട്ട് ഐഡിയിലേക്ക് പോടാ.
No.
ചൈന നീ എന്താണ് ആര് പറയുന്നത്?
India.
അല്ല,
I'm from India.
India?
I know you are Indian. I know.
India.
Which state? Which?
You like? Hey, you look like a foreigner. Your good face. You look like foreigner.
അവള് ഇൻസൾട്ട് ചെയ്തെന്ന് അവള് പറയുന്നത്. നീ
ഇല്ല
ചൈനയാന്ന് വിളിച്ചു.
ചിരിച്ച് ചുമ്മാരി.
Yes, I know, but we notice some people look like this only.
No, you look like very beautiful. You are in my heart.
Which state? India. Which state?
Not India, Northeast.
Northeast.
Northeast. Meghalaya.
Yes, the biggest state.
Biggest state.
Biggest shit.
Nagaland.
No, Arunachal.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
I know.
Yes,
AP.
I love AP.
We love AP.
You've been there.
Huh?
Yes, I've been there many times. I'm coming to Arunachal Pradesh next month.
We both.
Why?
Not both.
Why?
This is a both. I don't bring him. I alone coming.
Oh, why?
Just trip chilling.
Oh, cheap. Okay.
You wanna hang out sometime?
Yes, sure.
Seriously?
If I come with him, shall we meet?
No. This guy not coming.
Go on a trip.
Go trip. We.
Yeah, we can go on a trip now.
Oh, നമുക്ക് ട്രിപ്പ് പോവാന്ന്. നീ ഇല്ല.
No. This guy no. I am coming. Okay. So how do
Come.
I am confused? How do I contact you if I come there? Ayyo.
When are you coming? Next month?
Ayyo. Next month.
ആ മോശമായി പോയി.
Sure.
How I contact you that time?
You can take my Insta.
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 Okay. I'll take your Insta.
Okay. Type
your Insta.
ID. ഇതൊക്കെ എന്റേതാണ്.
Huh? What?
No, my teeth is broken.
What are you guys doing, by the way?
We are business.
അവളോട് ചോദിക്കാൻ
Yes, I got your Insta.
അനക്ക തന്നത്.
This is ഇതെന്റെ ഇതല്ലേ.
Who you give Insta ID to me or him?
Me.
Who want to take
Me.
mine?
I tell that you are more beautiful.
No. I ask for the trip, right? You give me a Insta ID, right?
Actually, I am come with him.
Yes. More can take if you want.
No, both no. I ask.
No. You have a chance.
So when will I give you?
If you have a you have a chance. Give your
എല്ലാവരും W റാം അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ അല്ലേ വാങ്ങും.
ഇതോടെ റാബോന്റെ പവർ. You give to me, right?
Yes, whoever one.
Thank you. I love you so much. You are looking more beautiful.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Gracie, I'll see you soon. ഐഡി എടുക്കാ, ഐഡി കോപ്പി ചെയ്യണം മാറി.
ആ എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്
ഓർമ്മ ഉണ്ടായ പോലെ ഞാൻ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട്
അല്ല അദ്ദേഹമല്ല അയക്കേണ്ട
ജീക്സ്
എടാ
YZZ.
Okay guys, then bye bye.
Is this you? Ami Pinda?
ആനപ്പിണ്ടോ
Ami Pinda, this is you?
No, this is me.
ജസ്റ്റ് എ മിനിറ്റ് ഐ വിൽ ചെക്ക്
This is you? Not alien? Yeah, okay. I got it.
1 minute ഐ വിൽ സെൻഡ് യു എ മെസ്സേജ് ജസ്റ്റ് എ മിനിറ്റ്
No, I also send her.
ഐ ആൾസോ സെൻഡ് ഐ സെൻഡ് എ മെസ്സേജ് റിപ്ലൈ
I do.
റിപ്ലൈ ഓനല്ല